So I'm Nychos from Vienna, Austria originally, but I live here in LA, and I've been working for the last 3 years here in Los Angeles on this show, The Awakening. And mostly, I do a lot of dissection anatomy work. That's what I'm also known for on the streets as a muralist and a graffiti writer. And well, now I have transformed a little bit, not from the style exactly, but more the storytelling is more of a visionary, psychedelic, and energetic healing work, yeah, in this transformational, intense time for myself. Yeah, so the last 3 years I've painted it off my chest, or off my soul, as I said before. A very personal journey here I show to the crowd. Well, the start of it all, I would say, like what triggered this this change of style, I can tell, or just like how I got into the storytelling was I got really sick in 2016, and that got worse and worse, and didn't really find a way out, and got into meditation very much, and also, well, long story short, this is how I was able to dive into the deepest depths of my own being, and the visions which came to me during that time, that has manifested to those paintings now. Yeah, I've really hit the brakes on traveling and really sat in my studio and meditated and transformed this into, you know, from the inside out on purpose. Yeah, whatever came up is what we see here today. On this 2019 and 2020 of like me just meditating, I understood that to really like open all the energy fields, the chakras, which I've also painted like extensively, you know, and became aware of the healing powers of the rainbow, and then also like the chakra system in general. I understood that to really have the energy flowing through me, and the opening the throat chakra is what opens the gates to my personal primal truth. So, and that I worked on that for over a year, like focusing in the meditation, and also with the help of mushrooms here and there. A lot of times I have visions before which are connected to something, and I paint, and when I paint it, I manifest it into this reality, and then like the throat chakra cleared out for me, and that's when I was able to I was actually howling like a wolf. And that's why this painting has become a very, very important one for me, because that literally, I could feel the energy of my voice connecting to the energy down here and just like blowing it out. And like understanding I have never let go as much ever in my life as in this moment. Just this ultimate power, the ultimate power of what is inside of us, and how crazy we could actually just free ourselves. This is my very first art show in LA, you know, and I've been doing several art shows in America and throughout Europe, but never something as big as this. And I know this is going to have also like a new effect on all of this. There's, you know, the more I venture into new possibilities of creation, like digital work, animation work, AR, immersive stuff, whatever, you know, I mean, clearly there's the blockchain and the NFT world, which is also I am quite open to as well, especially because I can finally get into animation and also show what's possible already from my side or my business and my team. So that is very interesting right now, clearly. But I must say, like, opening this show with loads of like analog paintings is where my heart is right now.